The Advisor configuration page is exclusively available to users with the Advisor role. It provides powerful tools for managing content and customizing key aspects of your yearbook. Let's start with styles. These are professionally designed spreads in a variety of popular themes, complete with color palettes, fonts, art elements, and more. Styles are fully customizable, giving you polished results with minimal design effort. Browse through the 50 available styles. A detailed description for each will appear on the right. Use the buttons at the top to filter for high school, middle school, or elementary school designs. Simply check the boxes for the styles you'd like to make available, then click Save. This helps you set a consistent look and feel across your yearbook. Next, review the backgrounds. There are over 5,000 to choose from in a wide range of categories. To limit what's available to your designers, check the boxes for the backgrounds you want to allow and click Save. On the Fonts tab, you'll find more than 250 Google fonts organized into categories. Select the fonts you'd like to keep available, then click Save. Any fonts included in your chosen styles will be automatically selected here as well. The Page Numbers tab gives you control over numbering throughout the book. To make changes, all sections of the yearbook ladder must show as in progress. Choose the position, margin, font, size, and style of your page numbers. Add a white outline to help visibility on darker pages. Select No Page Number to remove all page numbers. Click Update to save your changes. Finally, the Face Matching tab lets you enable face matching technology. Using portrait data, this feature automatically tags students in candid photos. Benefits include improved student coverage tracking, more accurate captions, and valuable insights like sales per student. To get started, review the consent form, click Enable, then run face matching to begin tagging. The Advisor configuration page gives you expert-level control to make your yearbook the best it can be. Visit the knowledge base for more resources, design guides, and step-by-step tutorials.